Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on VMware Workstation. Today we will learn how to fix VMware Tools is no longer shipped for legacy guest operating system. This problem is appear when we try to install VMware Tools for legacy operating system. I faced this problem while installing VMware Tools on macOS. So to solve this problem, you need to click on the first link and download the Darwin disk image. Now save this ISO file somewhere on your PC. You will find all download links in this video description. I saved it to my desktop. Now go back to VMware. You need to power off your operating system. After complete shutdown, click Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Now click CD DVD and now click Use ISO image file. Now click Browse and select this Darwin ISO. Click Open and press OK. Now after saving your settings, power on your operating system. Wait until it is fully launched. Normally, VMware Tools will automatically mount after launch. If not, click VM, Removable Device, CD-DVD and Connect. It will automatically mount your VMware Tools. Now click Install VM Tools and wait a little bit for launching. Now after launch, click Continue, continue again and press Install. Type your password and proceed. After successfully installed, press Restart. After restarting, you will see that VMware Tools has been installed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.